Hello everyone, welcome to my channel बचपन की पाठशाला. Now started today's topic. What is pronoun? How many types of pronoun? A pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun in a sentence. It is used to avoid the repetition of a noun and make sentences simpler and clear. Means noun के बदले प्रयुक्त होने वाले शब्द को pronoun कहते हैं. नाउन की रिपीटेशन से बचने के लिए ही pronoun का प्रयोग किया जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, John is tired because he worked all day. Here he replaces John. The car is expensive. It is also very fast. Here it replaces the car. Next, types of pronoun. Personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, distributive pronoun, reciprocal pronoun, reflexive pronoun, emphatic or emphasizing pronoun, indefinite pronoun, relative pronoun, interrogative pronoun. अब जानते हैं पर्सनल pronoun के बारे में, जिसे पुरुषवाचक सर्वनाम कहते हैं. These pronouns replace specific people or things. They vary based on the subject, object or position. Examples: subject pronouns I, you, he, she, it, we, they. अब इसका सेंटेंस क्या बनेगा? She is reading a book. Object pronoun me, you, him, her, it, us, them. Example: he gave the book to me. Possessive pronoun mine, yours, his, hers, ours, theirs. Example: this book is mine. अब जानते हैं possessive pronoun, जिसे हिंदी में अधिकारवाचक सर्वनाम कहते हैं. Possessive pronoun indicate ownership or possession. Examples: mine, yours, his, hers, ours, theirs. Example: the pen is here. Demonstrative pronoun, जिसे हिंदी में संकेतवाचक सर्वनाम कहते हैं. Used to point out specific things, people or places. Examples: this, that, this, those. Example: this is my bag and those are yours. Distributive pronoun, व्यष्टिवाचक सर्वनाम. A distributive pronoun refers to individuals or items in a group one at a time rather than collectively. It emphasizes singularity and is used to indicate that the members of a group are considered separately. Example: each, either, neither, every, none, etc. Example: each refers to every individual in a group, one by one. Either refers to one of two options. Neither का sentence indicates none of the two options. Reciprocal pronouns, जिसे हिंदी में पारस्परिक संबंधवाचक सर्वनाम कहते हैं. Express mutual actions or relationship. Example: each other, one another. Example: the two friends help each other. अब जानते हैं रिफ्लेक्सिव pronoun के बारे में. रिफ्लेक्सिव pronoun किसे कहते हैं, जिसे हिंदी में नीचवाचक सर्वनाम कहते हैं. Refer back to the subject of the sentence. Examples: myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, themselves. इसका सेंटेंस क्या बनेगा? She completed the project by herself. Next, emphatic और emphasizing pronouns, जिसे हिंदी में दबाव सूचक सर्वनाम कहते हैं. Used to emphatic or a noun or pronoun in a sentence, it is often the same as a reflexive pronoun. Same क्या है? ये reflexive pronoun के जैसे है. Examples: myself, ourselves, yourself, himself, herself, itself, themselves, etc. Sentence क्या बनेगा? He hurt himself. You yourself are responsible for your problems. Indefinite pronouns. अनिश्चयवाचक सर्वनाम. Refer to non-specific people or things. जैसे someone, anyone, everyone, nobody, nothing, all, few, many. Sentence: everyone is invited to the meeting. इसी टाइप से आप लोग भी इसका एग्जाम्पल बना सकते हैं. रिलेटिव प्रोनाउंस. रिलेटिव संबंधवाचक सर्वनाम. Used to connect clauses or phrases to nouns or pronouns. Example: who, whom, whose, which, that. The boy who won the race is my friend. Interrogative pronouns, जिसे हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? प्रश्नवाचक सर्वनाम. Used to ask questions. Examples: who, whom, whose, what, which. Example